Now there's actually two things that I got for this car. One is the rearview mirror camera, and two, it is a Chevy Mylink for the Camaro. So I think what Gen 5 DIY did was 2 shipments. So one of them is the radio and one of them is the camera. I don't know which one this is, but I'm about to open up and find out. So this is the radio. So this is for another mod for me. This is the radio actually. So the second part that I'm waiting on is the rearview mirror camera, which will be in this video. But all right, 2 days later, after I received the first package from Gen 5 DIY, and you got my second one right here. About to open this. I should have my camera kit for my radio and then some lock switches too, because I got the 2011. Because once I switched to the Chevy Mylink, I won't have no lock button anymore. So that'll probably be fun. You got the wire harness for the lock switch. You got 2 of them in there, one for the driver's side, one for the passenger side. This is probably for the radio right here. So I guess this is probably also for the radio. And this is probably that camera. This is probably for that antenna, the shark fin antenna. And I hope this are directions. Yep, all these are directions. Good. And here is the actual mirror. This probably runs from the antenna to the mirror. Got to run this through the headliner. This is the actual mirror itself, which I'm not going to unwrap it right now. I'll unwrap this when it comes time to it, once I do the install.